Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ghazali Hamzah. I'm going to introduce you about LED. LED is acronym for a light emitting diode. It is a semiconductor light source that emit light when the current flows to it. Electrons in the semiconductor will combine with the electron holes, releasing energy in the form of photons. The color of the light is determined by the energy required for the electron to cross the gap of the semiconductor.
My name is Dominic Lade. Now I'm gonna explain about working principle of LED. LED emit either visible light or invisible infrared light when forward biased. So when LED is forward biased, free electron in the conduction band recombine with the hole in the valence band and release energy in the form of light. So the process of emitting light in response to the strong electric field or flow of electric current. So a normal PN junction diode allow electric current flow only in one direction, which allow electric current when forward bias and does not allow electric current when reverse bias. So thus, PN junction diode operate only in forward bias condition.
Okay, my name is Ikram. RGB LEDs. White light can be produced by mixing different colored lights together. The most common method is to use the primary colors red, green, and blue (RGB). As this mechanism involves the blending and diffusion for different colors, this approach is little used for the production of white lighting due to tendency of its have a slight tint or hue. Nevertheless, this method is particularly interesting for effect applications because of the flexibility of mixing different colors. In principle, most perceivable colors can be produced by mixing different amounts of three primary colors, and this makes it possible to produce precise dynamic color control as well. Utilizing the DMX control protocol, if it is actually possible to achieve a color plate for over 60 million shades. How does this work? Well, on each color scale, it is possible to select 256 level of shades of the color. If you have 3 primary colors and each one can have 256 different shades, then by mixing them together, you can automatically generate 16.7 million different colors. Thank you.
I'm Jay Soren. LED are produced in a variety of shape and size. The color of the place land is often the same as a usual color lighting emission, but always, for instance, purple plastic often used in infrared LED, and most in blue devices have colors housing modern high power LED such as those used in the lighting, and black lighting are generally found in silver mount technology. LED are made a different package of different application. A single or few land section may be packed in one mineral device for use as an inductor or pilot lamp. LED array may including controlling circuit within the same package may range from the simple resistor blinking a color changing control address control for RGB device. That's all.
Hello, my name is Adrian and today I will teach you guys about the LED structure diagram, which is like this. So, LED have positive and negative pin, which is called anode and cathode. Basically, cathode have a bigger plate than anode. On the top of the cathode, it have reflective cap and LED chip that will transmit light. Between the LED chip and positive pin, there is a gold wire bonding portion, and the cover of the LED is made by circular epoxy resin. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I want to tell about the properties of LED. Green LED with low radial power and have a narrow wavelength of 0.56 micrometer, have the same power or effect to the human eye as red LED with high radial power of 0.655 micrometer. So human eyes can see better in green color rather than red. Secondly, LED have fast response to off-on on and off time of 10 nanosecond, which is very fast for application. Secondly, usually we use red LED. Red LED required 20 milliampere of current or IF and voltage of 2.2 volt to produce 4.0 millicandela of illuminance. We use LED because it has high efficiency, moderate power for operation, but more power usage than LCD. But we have more better response to than LCD. Thank you.
And now I will present about the application of LED. So first we have 7 segments, which is we have 7 LED on it to light it up. Okay, next we have the traffic light, which is we have 3 different colors, red, yellow and oranges. And then television LED used on in old television. And lastly is camera flashes. We also use LED in camera flashes. That's all.
Advantage for LED. First, environmental friendly. LED contain no mercury or other hazardous substance. Second, controllable. LED can be controlled for brightness and color.
Disadvantage of LED. First, high initial price. LED are currently more expensive or initial capital cost basis than most conventional lighting technologies. Second, temperature dependence. LED performance largely depend on the ambient temperature of the operating environment or thermal management properties.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iman and today I will talk about benefit LED compared to other display device. First is LED lifespan. LED lifespan is 2 until 4 times longer than other display device. Second, LED light are physically small. Thus, they make LED with more space to save. Third, LED light are environmentally safe. LED light not contain any harmful chemical that harmful to human. Fourth, LED operate in low voltage. This make LED suitable for outdoor lighting application. Lastly, LED operate well in cold or hot temperature. This LED will not significantly degradation. Okay, thank you.
There are pros and cons of LED. LED has less energy consumption, which is LED lamp can consume up to 50% less than lamp with low consumption. LED has less electricity, long durability and reproduce color with a wide LED, but LED will be very high cost and the replacement of a single bulb from strip can be tricky. Moreover, LED produce low light and has bad performance at high temperature. There are clear LED has various pros and cons.